Do you know WhatsApp is the best tool and the most easiest application to activate and start using almost immediately? Unfortunately, this in fact has made it vulnerable for hackers to use it to they can hack your WhatsApp account, do dangerous things with it, scam people on your contacts and do more with it. So let me take you into let me show you how to activate your WhatsApp two-step verification, so that whenever someone is trying to access your account from another phone, you will be able to, they will notify you and ask for something like a PIN code. So how do you activate that? First, you come up here, right here, you click settings. Then after clicking settings, you come to accounts. Then right on there you see two-step verification. Then you see mine, I've activated it. And for the sake of this tutorial, I will have to disable it and show you again how to activate it. If you just come right here on your two-step verification, you will see this button enable right here. Okay, so I'll activate mine. With 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The pin can be different in your own case, but I'm using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in this case. Okay, so they're asking for your email, so I'll just put my email right here. So you can put your email for backup in case you forgot your PIN, so that you can reset it. Then you click on "Connection is enabled." So that is how to activate your two-step verification. And you can see now it is enabled. So whenever someone wants to access my account without my permission, even with my permission, you have to enter my two-step verification code right there. Okay, so that will be how to activate your account. That is how to activate your account. Don't forget to subscribe and share with others who might need it too.